Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the prerequisites: access to the target region, basic combat readiness, and stamina for vertical movement. Once done, fast travel to the nearest shrine or landmark and approach the high ridge where rare drops spawn. This shortens time and preserves durability. Make sure to equip shock or fire arrows to open some locked caches and keep a strong melee weapon to finish foes quickly. This gets you into position and starts the loop of searching for the feathered edge. You now execute the middle sequence. Systematically clear camps and scan chests, because the feathered edge typically appears from rare spawns or chest pools. Once you clear ground encounters, use aerial dives and stealth to lure or trigger flying enemies that carry feathered loot. This increases drop odds. Make sure to break wooden crates and defeat minibosses in the area, since those pools often include uncommon weapons. Keep rotating through spawn points until the item appears, conserving resources between pulls. You finish by claiming and verifying the feathered edge. Equip it, test its attack and durability, then gather required ores and upgrade at a smith to maximize benefits. Once done, rotate to the next area or repeat the spawn loop to farm duplicates. If you never find it, reset the zone by fast traveling away and returning, or by saving, quitting, and reloading to respawn loot. Make sure the game is patched. Sometimes updates change drop tables, so reload saves and clear local caches if needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.